Yo, what's up, Goofy Goofus? Today we're gonna play some more Longa on TearDown. You know, I know. Okay. New game is
The Urban Legend. What the hell is the
Urban Legend?
The Urban Legend.
What's the Urban Legend?
I don't know.
Alright, we're in. Let's see. Do I pick up all this shit? Do I have a gun? I have a gun. Fill this up. Do I have a better car nearby? No. Careful. Can I put this in the roof? Let's see. Can I put this in the roof? Kinda. Actually, hold on. Shit. I'm gonna have to do some improvising. Money. Come on, get in. Come on. Almost.
Well, it's because Americans are shallow. We place a high priority on a perfect smile, so a large percent of Americans get their teeth whitened or get fake teeth. So by comparison, sure ours look slightly better, but in reality, they're way less healthy. But it's okay, because at least we don't pronounce chicken sandwich.
Look at this car. I had to break the roof. Yeah, I had to break the roof. Oh no, keep no. Look. Yeah. I had to break the entire roof for this. This is not efficient. I don't even know how this is still going. Hi, Scout.
The Scout died.
What was that?
Ooh, it's got the cat.
Fuck up tank. Ooh, another tank. There's an entire war zone going on over here.
Bro! Five Nights at Freddy's in Lego!
Five Nights at Freddy's in Lego?
Five Nights at Freddy's in Lego!
Awesome. Oh shit, a bridge. That's not nice. Hopefully it's a nice bridge this time. Okay, I don't see any people on the bridge. Okay, good bridge.
I'm about to edit my channel though.
That'll be easy.
So we can do something about a fun game.
Oh, lagging. There we go. Here we go. Can I drive this? No. That's unfortunate. It probably looks really fast. Okay, this is not good. There's the fuel tank is in the roof. If they shoot the fuel tank, no one having you just keep going.
Oh no.
Just keep going, ignore them. Okay, I really want to see if I can drive those tanks. Ow! I get this. Is way better, but I don't know. Let's go get in it. Come on, get up. No. Come on. Yes! I'm up. I don't know if this helps me or not, but I'm up.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, I thought this would blow up.
It blows up.
Alright, let me get on this. No, that wouldn't be a good idea. Let's go over here. I gotta go this way because there's a helicopter over here. Ow! try this. Let me try the helicopter. Oh wait, no, it moves. Oh, it doesn't anymore. I'm gonna drop this off the bridge and see what happens. It's like those channels that just drop shit off roofs. Oof. Ow, again. Now let's go back to the other car. Whoa, look at how bright that is. It's a fucking sun. I've got the power of the sun in this. Let me use this car. Just gotta get the fuel out first. There we go. Still trying to shoot me. Still failing. Oh, okay, they're getting closer. Shit, is it leaking? Fuck. Just gonna have to go there. Open this. Rubber. Alright. Let's go. Oh shit. Shot. We're already rich, but... Whoa, 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 slow down. Fuck. I don't have anything to sell. That's great. I still ain't gonna have a gun. I can buy a gun. Nah. That's cheating. Buying stuff is cheating. Let's go. I go over here, I'm gonna check the gas station. Refill my car too.
We made the channel.
Awesome.
Oh.
J&D. Hello, Nico Bellic.
Too many cooks.
Too many cooks?
Too many cooks.
Too many what now?
Too many cooks. The cookadookers.
We're moving up in the world. We got a good car. Full on fuel. We don't have a gun, but we don't need a gun. Guns are for pussies. Alright, let's go. Let's see the gas station. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oopsie. The entire fucking cabinet fell down again. Get up. Come on. There we go. Cereal. Well, she had been shot by another gas station. That's rude. Alright, let's join in now. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, slow down. Oh shit. No, this is bad, this is bad. This is really bad. Oh no. I can't move, the car's stuck. Oh my god!
What do you think of this?
It sounds awesome. The fucking helicopter is after me. Which isn't good. Evidently so.
What's this game called again?
TearDown, yeah.
TearDown.
Oh my